Me the King. I'm here with the Prince, or the Mushroom Hog. He just found this. This is a little patch spelled out Morel. Let's show him what we got going on. Grab your knife again. We just picked all in your bag. We picked all those in one spot.
Right around here.
Right around here. And basically, it's these stumps like this one. Some of them are kicking lots and lots. And we always look for disturbances like this road here that we're in. It's an old road. A lot of times these disturbances kick you black. Here's another blackie. Then we come up here and we get this stump like this. Oh, Ian's got him.
Yellow.
Yeah, this is where the yellows start. You can just see them here. Look, we won't even pick for a minute. They're here. Look at this. Here, here. All into there. Come on this way, buddy. Here, and if you notice, they're down in the ground. You got to kind of do that to cut them. There's the little ones there. We might leave some of these. You come here, down here in this hole. The other side of the tree here. I see 1, 2. Show them this. And then you come back this way. You got a nice size one right here. Look at these two right here. And then, look. Here, 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 here. There's a nice one there. But we keep walking. We're just going to walk through here to like the next stump. There's a Morel right over there.
Yeah, I see it.
There's another one on the other side of the hump, a big one. And then you got to come over here and look at these real quick. See how they're down in that hole? Nice fresh ones there. All these are fresh. There's another one right here. So as you can see, me and the Prince, we're the hog. We are hogging them. Loving it. There's some more over there. All right, well, we got to get to picking. We could talk all day about them. We'll show you some more later. Peace.